For this video, we are comparing Invideo AI and CapCut, two popular video creation tools that cater to different needs. So AI or Invideo AI is geared toward producing high quality professional videos with customizable features, while CapCut focuses more on quick, fun, and engaging edits, especially for social media. So let's see what each tool offers. First, let's look at InVideo AI. So if you want to create polished branded videos with advanced editing options, InVideo AI is designed with you in mind. It has this text to video conversion. So it has this tool that quickly converts scripts, blogs, or other written content into a video. And this feature is ideal for turning articles or social media captions into shareable video content. It also has a stock media library or extensive stock media library, which you can access. And it has over 1 million stock assets. It has videos, images, and also music. So InVideo AI provides high quality resources for professional looking videos, all included without additional subscription. So it also has advanced customization options. So when you edit your video, you'll have different options, so it gives you control over colors, fonts, animations, and overlays, allowing you to tailor videos to your brand style. So this customization is perfect for brands or businesses that need cohesive video content, and also it has AI-powered scene suggestions. So InVideo AIs assist with recommended visuals, transitions, and layouts to match your script, making video creation faster and more efficient. So after you are done with your editing, you can export your project in HD, and it also has social media optimization. So it optimizes formats for social media, allowing you to create high quality videos ready for YouTube, TikTok, and also Instagram. So to summarize the pros of InVideo AI, again, it has high quality text to video feature with AI scene suggestions. It has large stock library of video, image, and music assets. It has strong customization options for brand focused videos, and you can export your projects in HD with social media optimization for seamless sharing. Now, for cons of InVideo AI, it has limited mobile-specific editing tools compared to CapCut, and premium plans are needed for to access some of its advanced features. So now let's go over to CapCut. So this is known for its straightforward and fun editing tools. CapCut is widely used for content creators, especially for social media videos. So it has first user-friendly mobile app. So CapCut is a mobile-friendly app, making it perfect for on-the-go editing. So its simple interface is ideal for quick edits, even if you're new to video editing. So it also has basic and trendy effects on the upper part of your screen. You'll be able to access all of those effects right here. So it includes transitions, also stickers, filters that make it easy to create engaging trend-driven videos for TikTok or even Instagram. So it also has built-in sound library and audio subtitle. So CapCut's built-in sound library and audio subtitle feature make it easy to add background music and captions. So this feature is especially helpful for making accessible social media friendly videos. So CapCut also includes AI tools like background removal and body effects, which help you create attention grabbing effects quickly, but those are only available for paid subscriptions. It offers free exports without watermark, which is great for creators on a budget or those who want to create and share content without paying for extra tools. For the summarization of pros, CapCut is great for mobile app for editing on the go. It has trendy effects, stickers, and filters for fun and social friendly event or content rather. It has audio subtitle and sound library for accessible and dynamic videos. And you can export your project watermark free without paying anything. Now, for the cons of this one, it has limited stock assets, especially for professional media. It has fewer customization options for brand focused content, and it has limited HD export options for larger projects. So now, which tool is right for your needs? So InVideo is perfect for those who want professional quality videos with extensive customization options and a large stock library. It is ideal for brand focus or business content that needs polished and consistency, and CapCut is great for quick, mobile-friendly edits, especially for social media creators who want to add trendy effects, music, and captions to short-form videos. Both tools are excellent, but if you're looking to create, again, professional customizable videos, InVideo AI is a powerful choice. And you can sign up for a free video or InVideo account with the link below to start creating impactful content today. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.